Naranasan mo na din bang magalit, umiyak, magmukmok, but your partner doesn't care about you, doesn't care about your sentiments? Alam nyo, may post ako about being a mother and a wife. And maraming nakarelate na kapwa ko mothers din. Bakit daw ganito yung nararamdaman nila na they feel na nag-isa lang sila sa laban ng buhay? Why they feel no teamwork in relationship? Alam nyo, mga husbands, importante sa aming mga wives na maramdaman talaga namin na you really care and love us. Nagpakasal tayo para may katuwang sa buhay, hindi para maging katulong lang. Ito talaga yung mga pinaka-common na comments sa post ko noon. Yes, literally, katulong yung pakiramdam nila. Bakit? Lahat si wife ang gumagawa. Nag-aalaga ng bata, naghuhugas, naglalaba, nagwawalis, nagluluto, naglilinis ng bahay araw-araw. And walang kusang tumulong si husband. Or minsan naman kahit pakiusapan mo, natulungan ka, nagagalit pa, di ba? Ang sakit, nakakalungkot. Isa pang masakit doon, when you talk to your husband regarding dito, ang response nila, nagagalit sila, sinasabihan ka ng, oh, mo naman, nag-overthink ka lang, paulit-ulit ka na lang, di ba? Yes, sabihin na natin na si husband is a provider and nabibigay nito or nabibigay mo yung mga material na bagay na kailangan ng asawa at anak mo, but it's not enough. A husband is not a provider if all he brings home is money. It means much more than that. Should the husband help his wife with household chores? Kailangan ba talagang tulungan tayo ng mga asawa natin? For me, I believe yes, husbands should help their wives with daily household chores. Bakit? Sharing responsibility in the home promotes equality, reduces stress, of course, and fosters a cooperative environment. And when both partners contribute to household tasks, it can enhance communication and strengthen the relationship. Just because your wife can do anything, she will do everything. She needs help. Kailangan ka ng wife mo, kailangan niya ng tulong mo, nakakapagod naman talaga na ikaw lang lahat kikilos sa bahay at sa mga anak niyo. Also, good husbands provide emotional support. They provide encouragement and comfort. They provide quality time for their family. There is nothing better than a husband who cares, a husband who tries, a husband who loves God, and that shows in the way he cares for his family. And ayun lang, be a blessing, not a burden to your spouse.